Welcome back to the Stealthy Finance channel. For years, I've preached about real estate, building businesses, and investing in index funds. But there's another secret weapon that can supercharge your financial journey: minimalism. Today, we're exploring how minimalism can simplify 7 fundamental personal finance principles. By shifting your focus from material possessions to experiences and intentional living, you naturally start aligning with these core principles. Let's discover how minimalism can make a difference. Stay tuned. This first principle seems obvious, right? But it's amazing how many people struggle with it. It's so easy to overspend in today's world, with credit cards and online shopping at our fingertips.
This is where minimalism comes in. Minimalism encourages you to take a step back and ask yourself, do I really need this? Chances are, you'll realize that you don't. You'll find joy in what you already own, appreciate the value of your existing belongings, and resist the temptation to buy things you don't truly need.
When you adopt a minimalist mindset, you naturally start spending less. You become more conscious of your purchases, opting for quality over quantity, experiences over things. This shift in perspective automatically puts you in a better position to spend less than you earn. This surplus is your financial freedom. It's the money you can use to invest, save, and build a secure future. Saving consistently is like building a financial fortress. It protects you from unexpected expenses, lets you seize opportunities, and paves the way for a comfortable retirement.
Minimalism helps you break free from this cycle. By decluttering your life and focusing on what truly matters, you free up more money to save. When you're not constantly chasing after the next big thing, you realize that experiences, relationships, and personal growth bring far more fulfillment than any material possession.
The beauty of minimalism is that it simplifies your saving strategy. By reducing your expenses and prioritizing what truly matters, you naturally have more money to set aside each month. Remember that even small, consistent savings add up over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Minimalism gives you the breathing room to start saving, no matter how small the amount. Credit cards can be useful tools for building credit and earning rewards, but they can also be dangerous if used irresponsibly.
Minimalism provides an antidote to this problem. By encouraging you to live intentionally and focus on your values, minimalism helps you break free from the cycle of impulsive purchases and over-reliance on credit. When you embrace minimalism, you become more conscious of your spending habits. You start asking yourself, do I really need this item? Can I afford to pay for it in cash? Will this purchase bring me lasting joy? These questions help you avoid unnecessary debt and make smarter financial decisions.
Instead of using credit cards for every purchase, try switching to a cash or debit card system. This way, you'll only be spending money you actually have, preventing the accumulation of high-interest debt. Minimalism helps you achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. But the truth is, the earlier you start saving for retirement, the better off you'll be. Alex, time is your greatest asset when it comes to retirement savings, thanks to the power of compound interest. By reducing your expenses and living below your means, you free up more money to invest in your future. Alex, when you're not bogged down by debt or constantly chasing after the latest gadgets, you can prioritize your long-term financial well-being. Think of it this way. Even small contributions to a retirement account in your 20s can grow exponentially over time. Alex, the earlier you start, the less you'll have to contribute later on, and the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Minimalism helps you align your spending with your values so you can create a retirement filled with purpose and joy. Unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can pop up at any time. Emma, an emergency fund, acts as a financial safety net, providing you with peace of mind and the ability to handle unexpected events without derailing your finances. It's like having an insurance policy for your financial well-being. Minimalism makes building and maintaining an emergency fund much easier. Emma. By reducing your expenses and prioritizing essential spending, you free up more money to allocate towards your emergency fund. Instead of spending money on impulse purchases or things you don't truly need, you can redirect those funds to your emergency fund, Emma. Over time, you'll build a financial cushion that can absorb life's unexpected punches. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This rings especially true when it comes to investing. Diversification is key to mitigating risk and maximizing your potential returns. Minimalism can play a surprising role in helping you diversify your investments. By reducing your expenses and living below your means, you create more disposable income that can be used for investing. Instead of feeling strapped for cash, you'll have the financial freedom to explore different investment opportunities and build a well-rounded portfolio. This could include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. By adopting a minimalist mindset, you'll naturally prioritize experiences and meaningful investments over material possessions. We all have dreams, whether it's buying a house, taking a dream vacation, or starting a business. These big goals require planning and saving. Minimalism can be a powerful tool to help you achieve these dreams. By cutting back on unnecessary spending and living intentionally, you free up more money to allocate towards your goals. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases or lifestyle inflation, you can direct your finances towards the things that truly matter to you. Minimalism helps you align your spending with your values, making it easier to save for the things you truly desire. Start by setting clear financial goals. Determine how much you need to save each month to reach your target amount within a specific time frame. There you have it. 7 personal finance principles made easier through minimalism. If you've been struggling with these concepts, try embracing minimalism. You'll love the transformation in your financial life. By simplifying your life and consuming less, you naturally free up more resources to pursue your passions, achieve your goals, and build a more fulfilling life. Start small, focus on one step at a time, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom.